Hi, this is John Galloway from Microsoft with an MVC2 Quick Hit video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a simple but really useful feature, and that is HTML encoding. This is actually a feature of ASP.NET 4, so it's applicable to web forms as well, but it's really useful for MVC views that are using the web forms view engine. Hopefully you're already HTML encoding any string that you output to the browser. That's important because any string that you write out could contain malicious JavaScript.
In this really simple example, we've got a string that contains some JavaScript, and you can see when the page is executed that the alert box is displayed. Unfortunately, it's not usually this obvious. Your strings are usually model properties, and their values are probably being set in response to user input on a form, a database lookup, or a service call, and any of those things can be compromised. So if people can sneak JavaScript code into your website, they can do plenty of bad things like that. For instance, they can make a JavaScript call that passes user information on the page off to another website. So you have to encode every string. In ASP.NET 3.5, you can use the HTML.encode function, but ASP.NET 4 includes a new shorter syntax, %:. So starting with ASP.NET 4, you should just pretty much forget about the %= syntax and always use %: when you output a string. And the easy way to remember that is that it's just the colon just swung on its side, so it's pointing right at you. So here you can see we've changed the equal sign to a colon, and when we refresh the page, you can see the JavaScript was just HTML encoded, and now it's a harmless string. So here's a footnote. What do you do if you need to write out HTML from your application? Well, the encoding system uses an MVC HTML string under the hood. That's to prevent encoding a string more than once. So in this case, if you want to actually send out some HTML to the browser, you can use an MVC HTML string and pass it right along to your view.